In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide mentions in Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then swipe to the right to open up Story camera, and then you can just take a picture, or you can upload some from your camera roll. Let it be that one, and then let's say I want to mention some user on that story so no one will see it. So to do that, hit first at this stickers icon and select mention sticker. Then you can just type in someone's username and select a user to mention them. In that way you can mention up to 20 friends and they will get notified when you share a story. However, if you want to hide that mention sticker from here, first off you may tap on that sticker and the background of that sticker turns to transparent, and then all you have to do is just pitch to scale it, and then you can just move it right here towards the bottom of the screen, and as you can see, that sticker is no longer showing here over your story, but it's still there, so the person you mentioned will get notified when you share the story. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.